Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Guy Orko. I'm your friend and host Orko Provokor, and today this video is going to be a unique one because as usual, like other videos, I am not doing this face off because I will be going delivery directly shot into this new news which I have got right now. That is, this video is going to be about Neon project which has been unveiled by Samsung. So basically, what is this project? What is its mission? We will see right now in this video. So let's not waste the time and start this video. Okay, right now I will be opening my Google Chrome tab. Okay, so here is a news which have been published by cnet.com, some random website. So what are they saying? They are saying that Samsung's new Neon project is finally unveiled. It's a humanoid AI chatbot. Okay, judging from this title, I can say that just like in our smartphones, like Google Assistant in Android phones and Siri in iPhones, just like we talk and interact with this chatbots, that is Google Assistant or Siri, and we give commands to them and they reply in return. So basically, Samsung has created this new type of chatbot. It will be a humanoid AI chatbot. It means you can see virtually on a screen as a human form. You can talk with that chatbot, and in return they will reply back in realistic human form. Not just like random commands given by some Google Assistant or Siri. Okay, so let's read. See what they are saying. These realistic chatbots are meant to replace humans. They are not here to replace humans. Just they are the replacement. They will act like humans, but they are actually chatbot. But to make us more human. Just don't ask them for the weather forecast. Okay, that's a funny one. See, Neon super realistic digital people are real. Well, sort of. Okay, so basically there are two companies, Samsung Technology and Advanced Research Labs, that is Star Labs. They were jointly collaborating behind this Neon project about this AI chatbot. So, well, that's a very innovative one. See, what they're saying, the mysterious company emerging from the Samsung Technology and Advanced Research Labs debuted late Monday at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. It described the technology is called Neon as a computationally created virtual being that looks and behaves like a real human with the ability to show real emotion and intelligence. See, like in our smartphones or Android or iPhones, we have Google or Google Assistant, Google Talk or Siri. Likewise, we talk with them, but they don't have any emotions. They're emotionless chatbots. Means just we give them commands to them and they reply back. But not in case of this one. Neon project is basically out of the box. Neon project is a virtual AI chatbot which will be seen on the screen. The chatbot is in the form of a human, realistic human, and it will display of the real emotions, real intelligence. If you will ask any funny question, then the chatbot will reply in a funny way. He will smile, he or she will smile or laugh. But if you ask him or her any saddening question, a sad question, then he or she will cry or will get disappointed. This type of intelligence program has been manipulated and used in this AI chatbot program. So, well, very sort of intelligent things. So basically, Neon makes video chatbots that look and act like real people. I have already said. Neons aren't all knowing smart assistant. Androids, surrogates or copies of real humans. Okay, one thing I want to clear you. Samsung's Neon project, where the Samsung people or the inventors and scientists have recently cloned or copied several famous artists, sportsperson, actors, actresses. Their faces have been cloned up and they have been made into AI chatbots so that people could talk with them freely. The company said in an FAQ shared with the reporters, they can tell you the weather or how old Abraham Lincoln was when he had died. So natural question. See, neons are not AI assistant. One thing, the company said neons are more like us. Means the company has created these projects just like that, such that the chatbots will feel more look like human. They will have much more humanly behavior. Unlike AI assistant, here you can see neons do not know it all, and they are not an interface to internet to ask for weather updates or to play your favorite music. Now if you are thinking that, oh, okay, so he is also a chatbot, so let's him ask for Google, open calendar, open Google weather. No, this is not your Google Assistant, my friend. This is not your Google Assistant or Siri. This is entirely different thing. This is an AI chatbot, a humanoid form chatbot. He can talk with you, he can sing with you, you can talk with him of many things, but you can't give him commands like this. Just play my favorite music, just tell me the weather updates. Not this will not work. Okay, continue. Instead, they are designed to have conversations and behave like real humans. I've said it earlier. They form the memories and learn new skills, but don't have a physical embodiment, at least not now. Neons can help with goal-oriented tasks and can be personalized assistant in the tasks that require human touch. Okay, sorry for interrupting. If you guys need this article link, I will provide this article link in my video description. Please just check it. And yes, one thing to say, please subscribe to my channel. Please, I think you are not subscribing to my channel and just you are watching the videos only. Please subscribe to my channel. I don't know, please subscribe to my channel. I am working hard for you people, but you are not subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification to stay notified for more video update, please. Okay, let's continue. See, neons can help with goal-oriented tasks or can be personalized to assistant tasks that require human touch. They can act as teachers, financial advisors, health care providers, actors, spokespeople, or TV anchors. Like I've already said, Samsung have designed this project in such a way that these will not be seen as chatbots, but they will be seen as real humans. Okay. While they can borrow traits of real people and have similar look and voice, they can be exact copies of the existing humans, Neon said. And each neon is unique with its own personality. Suppose there is a female neon project, so she will display her own characteristics, her behavior in another way. A sports person neon project will have its own behavior or own project. So basically it's like the scientific matters all. So that's what I have to say about this Samsung Neon project, and basically this is all we have got. So just now we can hope that this project will launch very soon in near future, so that people will be talking with. So hope you have liked this video. You will get much more information about this Samsung's Neon project, and I will make much more videos about this when I will get more updates on this. So let's call it today, and I will be back with another video with another new information about technology and space and scientific inventions. So till then, have a good day and take care.